Hello friends, now we will be learning very interesting concept in Python, that is Augmented Assignment Operator. We have learned various arithmetic operators that are present in Python. Now let's understand what are Augmented Assignment Operator. Using Augmented Assignment Operator, we can perform arithmetic operation as well as assignment operation together. So Augmented Assignment Operator helps us to combine both arithmetic operations as well as assignment operations together. Now we will write some program in order to understand more about Augmented Assignment Operator in Python. Now suppose we have a variable a which is storing 10. Next, let's increment the value of a by 1. So we can write a equal to a plus 1. Let's display the value that variable a is storing. Let's understand what is happening here. First we created a variable a and assigned 10 to it. Then we have written a equal to a plus 1. Here we have addition operator and assignment operator. Addition operator has more precedence than assignment operator, so first addition operator will be performed. Addition operator is a binary operator. It will take two operands. It will perform addition and give the result. So first it will take the value that variable a is storing 10, then it will add 1 to it, it will become 11, the result will be 11. Now this assignment operator will take this value 11 and assign to the variable a. Next we are displaying the value that variable a is storing. It is storing 11. Now we can simplify this expression even further using Augmented Assignment Operator. Let's see how we can use Augmented Assignment Operator. So we have a variable a which is storing 10. Now we are incrementing a by 1. So we can write a plus equal to 1 because we are incrementing by 1. Next, let's display the value that variable a is storing. So what is happening here? First, we created a variable a and assigned 10 to it. Then we have written a plus equal to 1. This plus equal to, it is Augmented Assignment Operator. It will perform both addition as well as assignment together. First it will take the value of variable a which is 10. Then it will add 1 to it. Now the result is 11. Then again it will assign the result back to the variable a. So now a is storing 11. Now if we run the program, you can see we are getting the same result. So we can use Augmented Assignment Operator in order to simplify both our arithmetic operation as well as assignment operation. So we can combine both arithmetic as well as assignment operators together. Next, let's perform Augmented Assignment operations with each arithmetic operators. Now let's understand the syntax of Augmented Assignment Operators. First we write a variable name, then we write a operator. Now this can be any arithmetic operator. Then at the end we put this equal to sign and we assign some value to it. So this is the syntax of Augmented Assignment Operator. It always works with a variable. Here this operator, it can be any arithmetic operator. Then at the end we put this equal to sign. Then we assign some value to it. Suppose we have a variable b which is storing 10. Next, let's increment the value of variable b by 50. So we can write b equal to b plus 50. Then let us print the value that variable b is storing. So we have created a variable b and assigned 10 to it. Then here we are performing some operations. We have used addition operator. Addition operator will take two operands, perform addition and give result. So it will take the value that variable b is storing 10. It will add it with 50. The result will be 60. Then assignment operator will take the result and assign it to the variable b. So B is storing 60. Now we can simplify this expression using augmented assignment operators. First, we write the operator, then we put the equal to sign. So here we have written plus equal to. What will happen is this will take the value that variable B is storing. It will add 50 to it. Now B is storing 10. 10 plus 50 is 60. Then it will again assign the result back to the variable B. So it will assign 60 to the variable B. Now B is storing 60. If we run, you will see we are getting the exact same result. So we can use augmented assignment operator in order to perform both arithmetic operation as well as assignment operation together. This time we have a variable A which is storing 80. Next, let's subtract 10 from variable A. So we can write A equal to A minus 10. Now let's display the value of variable A. So here we have created variable A and assigned 80 to it. Next, we are subtracting 10 from this variable A. So here we have used subtraction operator. Subtraction is a binary operator. It will take two values and perform subtraction. So it will take variable A is storing 80, 80 minus 10 will be 70. Then assignment operator will assign the result to the variable A. Now A is storing 70. We can simplify this expression using augmented assignment operator. We can write minus equal to. So A minus equal to. Now here we are performing both subtraction and assignment operator together. This augmented assignment operator, it will take the value of variable A, which is 80, then it will subtract 10 from it. Now the result is 70. Then it will assign this result 70 back to the variable A. Now A is storing 70. If we execute the program, you can see we are getting the same result. Let's create a variable A and assign 100 to it. Now suppose this time we want to increase the value of A by 10 times. So we can write A equal to A multiplied by 10. Then let's display the new value of A. So here we have a variable A which is storing 100. Then we are increasing the value of A by 10 times. We have used multiplication operator, which is a binary operator. It will take two values, perform multiplication and give the result. Now multiplication operator will take the value of A, which is 100, then it will multiply 10 with it. The result will be 1000. Then assignment operator will take the result, which is 1000, and assign it to A. Now if we execute the program, you can see now A is storing 1000. We can simplify this expression using augmented assignment operators. We can write A multiplied by equal to 10. This multiply equal to is augmented assignment operator. It will take the value of A is storing 100. It will multiply it with 10. Now the result is 1000. Then it will take this result 1000 and again assign back to the variable A. Now A is storing 1000. If we execute the program, you can see we are getting the same result. Let's create a variable A and suppose it is storing 50. Now this time we want to half the value of variable A. So we can write A equal to A divided by 2. Then let's display the value of A. So we have a variable A which is storing 50. Then here we are halving the value of A. Then we are displaying the value. Here we have used division operator. Division is a binary operator. It will take two operands, perform division and give the result. First it will take the value of A, which is 50. Then it will divide it with 2. The result will be 25. Assignment operator will take the result 25 and assign it to the variable A. So A is storing 25. Now we can simplify this expression using augmented assignment operator. Remember, first we write the operator, then we write the assignment operator. If we execute the program, notice we are getting the same result. Now let's see how we can use augmented assignment operation with power operator. We have a variable a which is storing 5. Now suppose we want to calculate a raised to the power 3. So we can write a equal to a raised to the power 3. Then let's display the value of a. We have a variable a which is storing 5. Then here we are calculating a raised to the power 3. Here these two asterisk signs represent power operator. Power is a binary operator. It will take two operands and calculate their power. First it will take the value of a is storing 5. Then it will take 3 and it will calculate 5 raised to the power 3. So it will multiply 5 3 times. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. So the result is 125. Then assignment operator will take this result 125 and assign it to the variable a. So a is storing 125. Now let's simplify this expression using augmented assignment operator. So we can write, remember, first we write the operator, then at the end we put this equal to sign. Now if we execute, we will get the same result. Next, let's see how we can use augmented assignment operations with floor division operator. Now we are performing a is equal to a floor division 6. Next, let's display the value of a. Here a is storing 200. Then we are performing floor division operation between a and 6. Then whatever the result, we are assigning it to the variable a. Now floor division is also a binary operator. It will take two operands and perform floor division. Let's divide 200 with 6. So we will get 100 by 3. When we divide 100 by 3, we will be getting 33.33. Now the integer that is closer to 33.33 is 33. So result of this floor division operation will be 33. Then we are assigning a back 33. So the value of a this time, it will be 33. Now we can simplify this expression with the help of augmented assignment operators. So we can write, remember, first we have to write the operator, then at the end we put this equal to sign. Now if we execute, we will get the same result. Similarly, we can also perform augmented assignment operations with modulus operator. It is 55. We are assigning the result of a modulus operation 7. Then let's display the value that a is storing. Here we have used this percentage symbol in order to represent modulus operator in Python. Modulus is a binary operator. It will take two operands, perform division, whatever the remainder of the division, it will give that as a result. Then assignment operator will take the result and assign back to the variable a. Then we are displaying the value of variable a. Now here it is 55. So modulus operator will give the remainder when we divide 55 with 7. Let's perform division between 55 and 7. 7 times 7 will be 49. When we subtract 49 from 55, we will be getting 6 as a remainder. So the result of this operation will be 6. So it is storing 6. Now let's execute the program. You can see we are getting 6. Now let's simplify this using augmented assignment operator. First we write the operator, then at the end we put this equal to sign. Now if we execute, you will notice we will get the same result. Let's revise what we learned just now. Now we learned about augmented assignment operator. We use augmented assignment operators to combine both arithmetic operations and assignment operations together. Then we learned how we can perform augmented assignment operations with various arithmetic operators.